is Tawfiq from Tenet Technetronics. I'll be giving you a brief introduction on the components that we have.
Hello everyone, today I'll be giving an introduction to the mini toggle switch, as you can see here. So this is a toggle switch, which is a class of electrical switches that are manually actuated by a handle. So with the handle you can do different functions. So this is also known as a single port double throw switch, which supplies instrument with two different voltages. So we can do two different voltages, supply two different functions with a single handle. We can also direct the voltage available to one item at a time, and then once the switch is flipped, the voltage is directed to another item. So we can see this, the handle is 3 mm high, so it can be flipped. So here, as you see, you can see a pin here, 3 pins. So the middle one, the middle pin acts as the voltage connection. So once it is this side, what happens, you can see here as the pin here. So here, once the pin is this side, this middle switch, which acts as the voltage, is closed circuit, acts as a closed circuit to this pin. So what happens, once it is this side, this pin is connected to this pin and it works, the function works, it acts as a closed circuit. So once it is flipped to this side, so this middle pin is closed circuited with this side pin. So what happens, these two pins are connected and this function works. So whichever function you want to do, we can do accordingly. So now I will be giving you a demonstration of how this mini toggle switch works. So with this we can do two different functions. So here I have two LEDs. So what we are going to do is, we are just going to flip. So at this point, this LED should blink, and when you switch or flip it to the other side, this LED should switch on, it should blink. So we just have a 3 amp battery, just two resistors for the LEDs, and we are just connecting and just seeing how it works. So what I do is, the middle pin is directly connected to the battery, okay, as I've said before. So middle function acts as the receiving voltage. So now we see, now I connected here. So once I connect it here, we'll see what happens. Okay, so now I've connected this switch. So now it is in this side. So this LED should blink now. So let's see what happens. So do you see it? So once I connected the battery, the side of the LED starts blinking. Now once I switch to this side of the LED should blink. So can you see it? So just switches the blinking of the LEDs based on the handle that I had. Thank you for listening to this video.
To get more information on the products, you can log on to www.tenettech.com, or you can drop a mail to info@tenettech.com.